Yeah, morning, Trace. It's been a wild night. I mean, we've seen political drama coming through in the UK. I won't go into too much depth about that, but certainly the pound has traded down just below the 119 figure. I think part of that is down to, most of that is down to the fact that we've just seen risk heavy and the pound's traded in line with what we've been seeing there. But the story of the day, obviously, is what's happening in Europe. And we've seen European natural gas prices trade up to 176, pretty much the figure, up 8%. And, that's had a new high on this kind of bull run that we've been seeing recently. Closed at 163, so off the highs. But everyone's focused on what's happening in European natural gas. People are focused on Nord Stream. Are we going to see that reopen after the 11th to 21st maintenance that happened? We've seen strikes in Norway. That looks like that's been called off. But generally speaking, big moves in European natural gas once again, and that's clobbered the DAX. We've seen the DAX closing down about 3% on pretty much on the lows of the session. Volumes were about 20% above the 30-day average. European stocks were hit pretty hard. We saw Euro trade 104.30 down to 102.36. A lot of that can be explained by spread widening. We've seen US Treasuries widen about 10 basis points relative to German bunds, and obviously this factor of European natural gas really hitting the euro as well. And everyone's asking, when are we going to see parity playing through? Going to the rest of the energy story, I mean, we've seen Brent prices 114 down to 101.10. WTI crude 110.61 down to 97.43 in front month. We've seen RBOB gasoline down 9.1%. US natural gas prices getting hit. You can go into industrial metals. Copper's down nearly 5% as well. Ags, soybean, oats, corn, cotton getting absolutely destroyed on the day. It's been big moves. You can play that into gold as well. Even though we've seen some buying coming through in US Treasuries, that dollar story, as you can see here, is really manifesting. It's a NOK weakening story, a euro weakening story, Aussie weakening, the dollar reigning supreme on the day. And I think that's what's hit gold. 1800, we broke through that level. We traded down to 1764. We're finding some buyers coming through there, but gold looks pretty heavy at the moment. We've seen big flow playing through there. The recession trades through the commodity complex clearly working. How's that manifested in equity prices? Well, look at this move. S&P futures 37.44. We've seen a strong move up into the close of the cash markets there. Nasdaq up 3.6% off its lows. It's a big day. Let's see how Asia takes that today.